Hi, good evening. I'm Priyanka Siddharth, one of the students with British Academy of Fashion Design. The topic I would like to present today is about sustainability. As an upcoming designer, I want to take a step to create a consumer awareness on how we can follow sustainable measures in selecting and using the garments and hinder from fast fashion. My topic is about how we can reuse the garment from a wardrobe. Is that really possible? Let's have a look on that. Before that, let's have a look on what sustainability is. Sustainable fashion refers to clothing that is designed, manufactured, distributed, and used in the ways that are environmental friendly. Did you know fashion is the second largest polluting industry in the world, then the oil industry. All combined, there is a negative impact from the apparel industry, which should be considered. The impact on the planet, Earth, and the environment we live in is as follows. Carbon emission being one of the most important factor is affecting the climate change by 1.2 billion tons produced by global fashion industry itself. There are 235 million items of clothing sent to landfill last year. Fashion impacts all the other sectors like the climate changes and animals are being suffering because of the pollution, water pollution, air pollution, food insecurity, human rights, and it follows. Let's talk about upcycling. Upcycling has a very less impact on climate changes. Considering this, I have chosen upcycling as the topic to discuss today, which can control fast fashion and new booming technologies. With all the changes we are facing due to fast fashion and technology, I would like to talk on how we can help contribute to the nature and the environment that we live in. Did you know during the World War, make, do, and mend was vigorously practiced? During this time, women did a lot of mending and sewing. Father's trousers were unpicked, cut them out in a pair from the less worn parts, and reused to make a pair of kids' clothes. Winter coats were mended from the soldier's khaki coat and reused as a winter jackets. Some needlework had to be done to make them fit, which is called as darning. This shows how we used to use the garments back then. With all the above said, fashion can be made more sustainable in numerous ways. We'll see how. From using organic materials, using biodegradable dyes, to engineering pattern that can create zero waste and shopping less, reusing clothes, giving them a life with more sustainable way. Before you buy new clothes, ask yourself, who made my clothes? That answers if you need to spend on quality or on quantity. Keeping all that in mind, I have worked on a theme called Worn, Worth, Repeat. With all the changes we are facing due to the fashion technology, I would like to talk on how we can contribute to the nature and the environment. I have chosen a small project to create awareness on donating and allowing your clothes to reach landfills. Here is what you can do. Upcycling your garment and giving it a life by reusing it, like how clothes are used in olden days when there were a shortage of fabric. If you need to keep your clothes but bored with the style you're wearing, you can upcycle it as per the latest trends as well. Fashion doesn't mean you buy more. It's all about how you carry it yourself. Look for the cost. You can look for the cost-effective way to look stylish. Look around, shop around, go to the thrift shops. Other people's trash might be your treasure. If you create well, you can upcycle and alter them. The clothes that you donate, only 15% ends up recycling. Did you know that 85% ends up landfill, as per the United States report? We also buy a lot of produced clothes, which before buying, just ask yourself, who made my clothes? Is it sustainable? Is it worth buying? How is it affecting the environment? What can you contribute to engage in ethical fashion? Here is one of my upcycled garment. I have tried to reuse this garment, which doesn't fit me anymore, which has been lying in my wardrobe for ages. Here, I've tried out few sketches and tried different ways on how I can upcycle. If you can have a look and see how I've planned to upcycle the garment. These are the few simple steps that I've taken to unrip the seam. I've taken up the collar. I've tried to give an alter neck, which is in fashion, which is in trends. I also met the trends with my old garment. This is my final outfit. You can have a look. This is the back look, and it's the front view of the garment. I would request you to go sustainable and start supporting sustainable fashion. From this, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you very much for being a part of this.
Thank you for such a useful information. Really loved it, and probably we would consider this and take a look at our wardrobe and see what we can reuse or upcycle. And if we have something, we would of course get in touch with you and check if you can design something. Yeah, design something for us. Thank you for opening our eyes and thinking about environment. This is really important now. And wish you all the luck.
Thank you very much. It means a lot to me.